Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.017 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.017. Notice there are 3 digits to the right of the decimal. This places it in the thousandths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put 0.017 over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, 0.017, and the denominator, 1, by 1000 because there are 3 decimal places. So, 0.017 times 1000 gives us 17, and 1 times 1000 gives us 1000. This translates 0.017 to the fraction 17 over 1000. And there you have it. The decimal 0.017 when converted to a fraction equals 17 over 1000. This fraction is in its simplest form and cannot be further simplified. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.